I came to Amaranthas as a client, and it made a world of difference to me in terms of getting insights, the past life regression experience. And then 2 years down the line, or maybe it was I think 2016, yeah, I was looking for a follow-on session, and for whatever reason, I never got that chance. But what came up was the workshop, which you're on the final, concluding day. And ever since, my life has not been the same. I can say that when people come to you for seeking help, it's a life that you are touching. And that experience, when you see someone going out with a smile, or maybe 3 months down the line when they call you and tell you, hey, thank you so much, you made a difference for me, that's when you will see the power of this the work that you are that you have chosen to take on. From tips or experience point of I must say, the 15-step process that Venu has shared, stick to it, don't skip anything. It's very crucial, each and every step is followed. Um, Aside from that, I can only say that you'll be surprised by the intelligence, the higher intelligence that comes out from the clients. Though they might seem like requiring help, it's only we are actually helping them to discover themselves, and in that we get access to such a level of high level of intelligence from their own higher selves. You'll be left dazed, you'll be humbled, and I mean, I don't know what else to say. Each and every session will be an experience by itself. Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah. Yeah. But I think what I want to share is the way this has changed me as a person and my outlook to life, and I think also introduced us to so many people. Because you may go back, it's very exciting in the beginning, and you feel like you learned it all new. But I think if you don't continue and don't stay in touch with each other, it tends to fizzle out. Yeah, I think when you get back to life and work and everything takes over, it's easy to get back into the routine and the rut. And you need to stand by each other, and I think guide each other. So it's important to stick to it, and it changes you. I was someone who never used to meditate because I never had time. But you make the time. You Your outlook to life, the way you look at problems, not as something that is holding you back and not as a victim, but really for you to grow as a soul, as a person. I think that's what's important, and that's when you can pass that on to the people who come to you for therapy. It may not be easy. It's not easy to it's a different perspective from me because I have a crazy life, crazy schedule. I work weekends sometimes, but now I'm like I have to make time for it, and I think that's what's important, to make that effort and not give up. With a car accident and lost her father there. And during depression, she used to see that stage. Half an hour she was in the car, locked, and she used to cry, dad, dad, save my dad, somebody save. And after half an hour, she left her body. During the trance, her mom also, because her mom was my client, so I had to call her mom also inside because her mom wanted to be with her. So she also saw it was so pathetic, and immediately after that trance, this girl got completely cured, no problem. Otherwise, doctors had referred MRI, karna, CT scan, everything, and we didn't do anything. And the girl is very happy. Her mom regularly messages me. Like it's such a, I mean, nice girl, and you feel so happy to see that.
So that's what. So all the best. It's very easy. Just follow the procedure. 15 steps. Be in touch with Venu. He's there for us. So nothing like it.
Not started acting, but having some regression which is
Hold the mic closer.
yeah. So I have not done many regression actually, but I have done few. Some successful, some failed attempt, but the insight which you get through that is wonderful. Basically, it had changed in my life. This, not only that the regression part, also the training part itself, right? So the perspective you get out of this training, like so existence is not only what we see ourselves as, but it is beyond what we are. Right? So that perspective entirely changes the way you look at the things. Right? So the incident which happened in your everyday life, right? So you have some way of looking at it, but once you have that higher perspective, then you start looking at differently in your life itself changes completely, right? So that is something what happens at your personal level, right? So and the experience I think everybody has shared, so they are anyway wonderful, and as you go through regression probably I think you will get more intelligence to that. So yeah, I think overall it has been a very good learning for myself. But yeah, and Venu has been wonderful teacher and guide as well as friend.
Restaurant. I have a restaurant in Delhi, Moti Restaurant, Malviya Nagar. If you've ever been to South Delhi, Malviya Nagar, I'm taking care of that. Along with that, I'm doing therapy for as many people as I can. And I've had many wonderful experiences also. I think sure you'll soon you'll have your own Catherines coming your way. And every evening I was supposed to have injections. I just ran away from the hospital. They gave really, literally, it happened. They gave me sedatives, and my brother tells me I was under that sedatives effect, and my brother tells me they had to tie up your hands and your feet to do an MRI.
What?
I still have that picture with me. He tells me they were taking you for an MRI and you were saying, no, I don't want any medication, just let me go. I want to go to Bangalore and I'll be fine. There was something pulling me, and when I came to Bangalore, I was not in a state to travel. My hands, my whole body was trembling, and it was hard to hold that bag. But after reaching here, I sent them pics telling them that I'm all fine. I made a video call and they were surprised how I can cure myself. I mean, it was just a strong belief that I can cure myself without medicines, that I could do it.
It's a
And
really
I still have that video which shows me trembling and not able to hold a pen, not able to hold my trolley bag. I needed help that time. And my doctor, when I went back, I met him, I shook his hand, and he was like, I can't believe either that earlier report was fake or you are faking right now. So have that belief that anything can happen, it's all magical. And once you have that belief that you can do it and everything can be cured with the power of mind, I'm sure you can do it.
Let me tell you one thing. If you need to be good therapist, I think the most important criteria is get rid of your ego and be consistent in regressing people, whomever you can reach. I thought the best are children because they are the most pure and the most innocent people. I mean, innocent. So whatever comes out of their mouth is mostly genuine. They can't make up stories just out of thin air. So it was very wonderful for me. I had a very memorable experience at a hospital also, where I could regress a fellow patient. I had just 45 minutes. I thought if I could help her, let me. So she had this blood clot in her spleen that was making her very uncomfortable. She was going through a lot of pain and trauma. So when I regressed her, she went into a past life where she was a magical creature. She saw somebody. She saw herself being stabbed with a wooden stake. Later, I googled and I learned that they used wooden stake to kill magical creatures. So that was exactly where her spleen was located. So once I closed this one, she almost hopped out of the bed. She got the nurse to remove all this one needles. She packed her bag. After this one, she went to the test also. She didn't need a wheelchair. Prior to that, she wanted her sister to assist her in everything. So she just hopped off. She packed her bag. After the test, this one doctor proved that the clot was not there anymore. She left. She was very happy about this. Actually, I was happier than her. So this gave me some confidence. Okay, what I want to say is please be consistent. Don't give up. There are a few people who might not go into trance. So when you are consistent, you will definitely become therapists. Venu is there. He is a backbone to all our therapists. I mean, he is there.